Hey everyone, Chris here at Melrose T-Tops. We've had a lot of people over the years inquire as to how to put the glass tops onto the 77 and earlier C3 cars. Prior to 78, all the cars only came with the paintable panels with the headliner, and a lot of people like the look of the glass tops, which only came on 78 to 82 cars. So we're gonna jump in here and cover the differences between the two and how to get them going on the car. All right, so as you can see, we've already got one glass top on and one painted. The painted tops on the earlier cars all had two latches, which if you have the car, you're already aware of this. And they set on this rear triangle locating pin in the back. Now the glass tops from 78 to 82, they all had one latch, and which I just have this glass sitting on here for visual purposes. Single latch operated a rod that engaged in a rear receiver plate back here. So if you want to put the glass tops on the earlier car, this plate needs to be changed. Now before we dive into the work that has to be done to do this, let me briefly show you kind of what's got to be done here. So you're gonna have to drop the trim panels up here, which literally is probably 5 to 10 minutes worth of work. And then you're gonna have to modify this fiberglass back here to access the plate. Where's it at? This is the plate that sits inside there. The triangle pin screws into there. But it's encapsulated inside fiberglass, which is also inside this metal cage that I got bent open. Now, none of this is going to affect the resale of the car unless someone actually drops this down, because you can't really see any of this. Once the trim panels go up, it covers everything. And down the road, if you ever want to put the fiberglass tops back on, if you don't like the glass for some reason, or if you go to sell it and want originality, you basically repeat the process. You pull down the trim panels, remove this, put this plate back in, and reinstall the early plate. So let's stop here, and moving forward, we're going to just start tearing apart the driver's side and show you how it's done. Okay, so here we go. We got about 7 or 8 screws and the upper seat belt bolt, which is 13/16. So here we go, hand this off. Forgot that's got to come off. Got 4 screws up in here. Much easier. Okay. So now we got this fiberglass in here. It's got to get notched out so we can bend that cage open, and then that plate will come out. Here's the late model plate with the backing plate. You are going to have to hog out the holes a little bit to get that to fit in there, which we will do now. All right, plates are on. We can install the tops now. We're not going to cover how to align these. I already adjusted them. I will include a link to a prior video we made on adjustment tips. So we got them on, adjusted. As you can see, you're also going to gain quite a bit of headroom. I would say at least an inch, which is a big deal in these cars for tall guys. A couple things to remember. These things, the glass tops are supposed to sit up higher than the body. Chevrolet designed that because the first tops were laminated like a windshield. They broke a little bit easier. These are tempered. You can hammer on these things like a door window. They're not going to break on you. They're also going to go on pretty firm with the brand new weather strips. You're going to have to kind of force them into place until they seat to the car and the weather strips kind of shrink a little bit and start fitting a little better. Don't be afraid to push on them. What else? That's about it. They had a nice look to the car, and like I said, when you get ready, if you want to go back to the painteds, just drop your trim panels, pull your plates off, pull the plates back on, and you're done. I think if you haven't done this before, I think you could probably do it in a few hours on a weekend. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I will try and get to them as fast as I can.